Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre. Seen on the satellite loop are thunderstorms developing today over parts of the northern, western and eastern Cape. A few isolated thunderstorms over northwest, the southern parts of Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal. Also seen on the satellite loop is the cold front making landfall over the southwestern coast, spreading light rain over parts of the peninsula, Cape Town, the Overberg and the winelands of the Western Cape. Tonight, more thunderstorms in the forecast for the northern and eastern Cape and a few isolated thunderstorms in the eastern part. But due to the cold front, light rain spreading into the Western Cape along the southern coastline and the coast of the Eastern Cape. Tonight, isolated thunderstorms possible in the eastern part, more scattered thunderstorms for the northern Cape and eastern Cape over Lesotho and the western parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and due to the cold front, light rain for the Western Cape with a 60% chance over the southern coast. Therefore, drive cautiously on wet and slippery roads tonight in Cape Town. Our forecast for tomorrow is going to be much cooler in the southern parts of South Africa. A cloudy day with light rain for the southern coastline and parts of the Eastern Cape. And due to an upper level trough, thunderstorms in the forecast for the central and eastern parts, a mostly dry day in store for the Northern Cape. This evening and tonight, light winds for the central and eastern parts, yet again a northeasterly wind for KwaZulu-Natal, and due to the cold front, a southerly wind for the Western Cape. Tomorrow we do expect a strong mostly southerly wind for the western coastline and a fresh to strong southwesterly wind for the coast of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. A mild night over the eastern coastline, around 20 degrees for the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, 14 expected in Johannesburg, 17 for Port Elizabeth and 18 East London. A cold night for Sutherland with a low of 5 degrees and 15 expected in Cape Town. Tomorrow, much cooler in the western and eastern Cape with temperatures only around 20 degrees. Below 20 degrees in George with a high of only 18 expected, 21 in Port Elizabeth and East London. Also cool over parts of KwaZulu-Natal, 26 tomorrow in Durban, but still hot in Upington with a high of 31 degrees, warm in the eastern parts, 31 in Kimberley, Mahikeng as well as Pretoria. Extended forecast over the weekend. On Saturday, cloudy weather, much cooler with light rain into KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. Sunny weather for the northern and western Cape with scattered thunderstorms for parts of the Free State, Gauteng and Limpopo. And then on Sunday, warm and sunny weather for the western and central parts. Morning drizzle over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. A much cooler day for the eastern parts, only around 20 degrees for Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and isolated thunderstorms possible over the Highveld. That's all from me. Have a lovely evening.